Welcome to Vionix Studio. Let's start making games. Hi and welcome. In the last video we saw how to install Unity. In this video we'll see how to install Visual Studio Code. And this is required only if you have selected not to install Visual Studio Community in the last session. To install Visual Studio Code, go to code.visualstudio.com and select your OS and click on download. Once the download is complete, run the application to install Visual Studio Code. Click on accept the agreement, click next. These two options are the required options. Rest all is dependent on you. Click on next and then click install. This will install the Visual Studio Code editor for you. Now how to link this with Unity is a different tutorial. So in the next tutorial we'll see how to create a new project in Unity, and after that we'll see how to link Visual Studio Code with Unity editor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.